This is Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle 21, and today we're going to reinstall this wig from Ailiceehr on Amazon. It's a human hair wig, 26 inches, came in 613. I'm showing you my process, and you're going to see at the end of this video that lace is going to be laid. Throughout the video, I'll be sharing details about this wig and my pros and cons about it. To reinstall, I'm using Got2b glue hairspray, and I'm taking my time. I'm doing piece by piece on the lace, making sure that I stretch that lace out when I'm applying it to my forehead. And I'm really pressing in to the lace, trying to push the lace into my skin so that it can really just melt in there. Remember that word? Derretir in Spanish, melt. I first got this wig in April of 2022. I ordered off of Amazon from a company called Ailiceehr a 13x4 human hair 26 inch 613 wig. And I went in with Wella toner T15 and Wella toner T18 and blended them half and half. So I had 2 bottles of each, and I applied that to the hair to get this color that you see here, which I love. It's whitish, but at the same time it has a hint of gold. A pro about this hair would be that I was able to chemically process it. It didn't ruin the texture of the hair or the condition of the hair, and it took the toner well. And it's maintained that toned color all of these months. A con is that I bought it at 26 inches, but it did not come at 26 inches. It came more like 22 inches, and that's not what I ordered. Another con is that the hair sheds a lot. All day, that bit is shedding, okay? You brush it, shedding. You're walking around, shedding. You're sitting in the car, you move your arm, shedding, okay? It sheds. We do have to kind of excuse it because it is 613 hair. We did tone it. Kind of to be expected that it's gonna shed. Now the price was great for what I was purchasing at the time because it was around $240, something like that. And as you guys know, to buy a human hair wig, 26 inches, 13x4, 613, you're usually paying more than that. So I was excited, thinking this was a steal. This wig has a very natural look. That's a plus. When I put it on, it's like wig wear, okay? That bit is slayed. It looks natural. It has a natural looking density. So that is a major, major plus. And it is also big head friendly, and it's comfortable. I don't want to forget to mention that in the back towards the top, it is a little thin, so you can see the wefts sometimes, depending on the angle, depending how your hair shifts. But it's not too bad. It's nothing crazy. And again, it's only certain angles, so don't worry, sis. It's still gonna look good if you purchase this wig. And here I am, wrapping up, gluing down the lace with Got2b glue, doing the last few little pieces, and also checking for any excess lace or lace that just sticks out that I need to cut off. Now that I've cut off any excess lace, I'm going back in with the Got2b glue just on top of the lace this time, and just again pushing it down so that it can melt more into my skin before I put on my hair wrap. It's time to wrap it up, honeys. Make sure it stays laid down. Then we're gonna apply some heat on it, let it stay there for a while I go in and style my hair and flat iron it all. As you can see, I'm pressing it down again. I just wanna, again, make sure that it's really sticking to my forehead, really getting pressed as much in as possible so that the lace is barely visible. Style time. I'm gonna go in now and flat iron my hair. I wanted to have my hair straight today. I'm gonna do it piece by piece and take my time. I'm gonna run the flat iron slowly through each section so that I can have the best straightening and flattening effect. Now that I need to style the top half of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the wrap. So that this way I can truly style my hair, including that front edge part. So take a look at that, guys. It is melted. Whew, it's a hot day, man. All right, back to styling. Take your time for the best results. I know it's taking me a while and I'm here on fast forward mode. So it's gonna take you a while too, but trust me, you'll be happy in the end when you really take your time with that flat iron. Your hair will be sleek, shiny, straight, just perfect. I like to use the hot comb so that I can get the wig flat as possible all over my head. That way it can give a more natural looking result. I also like to go over the part and the front edges with the hot comb so that the hair can be styled exactly as I want it. Once you apply some heat to the style, the hair will obey you. I'm going over my hairline with my contouring powder so that it can blend in more with my makeup and with my skin. And here we are with the final result. Ailiceehr human hair reinstalled, baby. The lace is melted AF. Wig wear. Please tell me, wig wear. This is my hair. I bought it, didn't I? If I can get these results, so can you. Just follow what I do on my hair videos. You got this. Thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Please like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. Much love.